Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar channel. Today we are going to learn adjectives in English grammar. We will study the definition, attributive and predicative adjectives and all important types with examples. So, let's begin. Definition. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. It tells us more about a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, she has a beautiful dress. Here, the word beautiful is an adjective. Attributive adjectives. An attributive adjective comes before a noun. For example, she bought a red car. Here, red comes before the noun car. Predicative adjectives. A predicative adjective comes after a linking verb like is, are, was, were. For example, the car is red. Here, the adjective comes after the verb. Types of adjectives. Now let's learn different types of adjectives with easy examples. Main types of adjectives. 1. Descriptive adjectives. 2. Quantitative adjectives. 3. Demonstrative adjectives. 4. Possessive adjectives. 5. Interrogative adjectives. 6. Proper adjectives. 7. Distributive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives. They describe quality, kind, or nature. Examples. She is a clever girl. It was a sunny day. He wore a black coat. This is a difficult task. Quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives. They show quantity or amount. Examples. I have 3 books. She has little time. Many students are absent. He drank some water. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. They point out specific nouns. This, that, these, those. Examples. This pen is mine. That house is old. These apples are fresh. Those boys are noisy. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. They show ownership or possession. My, your, his, her, its, are, their. Examples. This is my bag. Her dress is beautiful. His brother is a doctor. Their house is large. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. They are used to ask questions. Which, what, whose. Examples. Which book is yours? What color do you like? Whose pen is this? Which class are you in? Proper adjectives. Proper adjectives. They are formed from proper nouns. Examples. Pakistani culture is rich. English grammar is easy. Islamic history is inspiring. Asian countries are diverse. Distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives. They refer to members of a group one by one. Each, every, either, neither. Examples. Each student received a prize. Every child needs love. Either answer is correct. Neither boy was present. That's all for today. If you like this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.